Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Riders Republic on your mobile device. Since Riders Republic is not a standalone mobile game, you will need to use alternative methods. The primary ways to enjoy this extreme sports title on your phone involve cloud gaming services or remote play from your console or personal computer. It is important to note that any app claiming to be a native mobile version is likely unofficial and should be avoided. Cloud gaming is a fantastic way to experience Riders Republic on your mobile device. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming let you stream the full game directly to your phone with an active Game Pass Ultimate subscription. If you own the game on PC, GeForce Now is another excellent option, streaming it from their powerful servers. Additionally, platforms such as Amazon Luna, Boosteroid, Blacknut, and PlayStation Cloud Gaming also support this title, offering various ways to play. Another effective method is remote play, which streams the game from your personal console or computer to your phone. With Xbox Remote Play, you can connect to your Xbox console and play Riders Republic anywhere within your home network. Similarly, Steam Link lets you stream from your PC, even if Riders Republic isn't a Steam game. For the best experience, ensure you have a robust and stable internet connection at home. To maximize your Riders Republic mobile experience, several tips can help. Always use a fast and stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to minimize latency. A compatible Bluetooth controller is highly recommended, as touch controls can be challenging for this dynamic game. Make sure your mobile device has adequate processing power and battery life. If you encounter any lag, try adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality for smoother performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.